From $10,000 to $1 million, the turning point. Picture this. What would it feel like to make your first $10,000? For some, it's just a number, but for others, it's life-changing. Today, I'm going to explain how that first $10,000 can unlock the door to $1 million business. You might think it's just a milestone, but trust me, it's more than that. It's the moment everything changes. Keep watching, because this is the turning point for your business. The first $10,000 is your seed capital. Invest it wisely. Research and understand your market. Knowledge is power. Build a network. Connections can open doors you never imagined. Stay dedicated and persistent. Success doesn't come overnight. With the right strategies, your first $10,000 can indeed lead to $1 million. Confidence boost, your first $10,000 win. You guys, let's talk about the mental game for a second. Making your first $10,000 isn't just about the money. It's about the massive confidence boost it gives you. It's like this huge weight off your shoulders, proving that your idea, your hustle, your blood, sweat, and tears, they're all paying off. That voice in your head that's been whispering, "Can I really do this?" It finally shuts up. And trust me, silencing that inner critic is priceless. Hitting that $10,000 mark is like crossing a mental finish line. It's proof that you've got what it takes to make it in this game. It's the validation that you're on the right track, that you're not crazy for chasing your dreams. And that confidence, my friends, is what will fuel you to keep going, to push harder, to aim even higher. Think about it. You're no longer just someone with an idea. You're someone who's actually made it happen. You've generated real revenue. You've attracted real customers. You've built something real from the ground up. That feeling right there, that's the feeling of a winner. And once you've tasted that feeling, you'll do whatever it takes to keep it coming. So, don't underestimate the power of that first $10,000. It's not just a number, it's a symbol of your potential, a testament to your hard work, and a launch pad for even greater success. Now let's talk about how to leverage that first $10,000 to reach $1 million. First, reinvest a portion of your earnings back into your business. This could mean upgrading your equipment, hiring additional help, or expanding your marketing efforts. Second, invest in your education. Attend workshops, read books, and seek mentorship to continually improve your skills and knowledge. Third, diversify your income streams. Look for opportunities to create additional revenue sources, whether through new products, services, or investments. By strategically reinvesting, educating yourself, and diversifying, you can turn that initial $10K into $1 million. Remember, the journey to $1 million starts with that first $10,000 win. Keep pushing, keep learning, and keep growing. Reinvest and scale, fueling your growth engine. All right, you hit that $10,000 milestone, you're feeling like a boss. Now what? This is where the real magic happens. You gotta reinvest that money back into your business. I'm talking about putting that cash to work, making it multiply like rabbits. Think of it like this. You've just planted a seed, and it's sprouted. Now, you need to give it the right nutrients and water to help it grow into a massive tree. That's what reinvestment does for your business. So, where do you put that hard-earned cash? Well, that depends on your business, but here are a few ideas. Maybe you need to upgrade your equipment, invest in some killer marketing campaigns, or even hire some help so you can focus on the big picture. The point is, reinvesting isn't about spending money. It's about strategically injecting fuel into your growth engine. It's about taking your business to the next level, expanding your reach, and ultimately making even more money. Networking is another powerful strategy. Building relationships can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Invest in your own education. Attend workshops, take courses, and keep learning to stay ahead of the curve. Stay updated with market trends. Knowing what's happening in your industry can help you make informed decisions. Set long-term goals. Having a clear vision for the future will guide your reinvestment strategies. Remember, every dollar you reinvest is a step closer to that $1 million mark. Keep pushing. Keep growing. The power of consistency. Small wins, big results. By focusing on small, consistent actions, you can build momentum and achieve significant milestones over time. Each small win adds up, creating a snowball effect that propels you towards your larger financial goals. Celebrate these small victories as they are the building blocks of your journey to $1 million. Consistency is key. Keep pushing forward and watch how these small wins lead to big results. Remember, every great achievement starts with a series of small, deliberate steps. Stay committed, stay focused, and let the power of small wins drive you to success. Unlocking the growth mindset. Think big, win big. You know, it's all about believing in your potential and aiming high. When you embrace a growth mindset, you open the door to endless possibilities. It's not just about thinking big, it's about taking those bold steps to make big things happen. Imagine the impact you can have when you push beyond your limits and strive for greatness. So, let's dive in and explore how you can unlock this powerful mindset and truly win big. Start by setting ambitious goals and breaking them down into actionable steps. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire and challenge you. Seek out mentors who have achieved what you aspire to. Continuously learn and adapt. The journey to $1 million starts with the first step, and with the right mindset, the sky's the limit. Credibility and trust are the cornerstones of building your reputation. Start by delivering on your promises and consistently providing value. Engage with your audience through social media and professional networks. Seek mentorship and learn from industry leaders. Celebrate your successes and share positive feedback from clients. Awards and recognitions can also boost your credibility. Remember, a strong reputation opens doors to new opportunities and partnerships, paving the way for exponential growth. By focusing on these strategies, your first $10K can be the foundation for $1 million empire. Systems for success. Automating your way to freedom. Automation is the key to scaling your business efficiently. By implementing automated systems, you can free up valuable time and resources, allowing you to focus on strategic growth. Start by identifying repetitive tasks that can be automated, such as email marketing, customer service, and inventory management. Invest in reliable software and tools that can handle these tasks seamlessly. As your business grows, continue to refine and expand your automation processes. This will not only increase productivity but also enhance customer satisfaction. Remember, the goal is to create a self-sustaining business model that can operate smoothly with minimal intervention. Momentum is key. Ride the wave to $1 million by leveraging every opportunity that comes your way. Start by identifying trends in your industry and positioning yourself to take advantage of them. Build a strong network of mentors and peers who can provide guidance and support. Stay adaptable and be ready to pivot when necessary. Invest in continuous learning to keep your skills sharp and relevant. Celebrate small wins to maintain motivation and keep your team engaged. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Keep pushing forward and you'll find yourself riding the wave to $1 million. Now that you know why making your first $10,000 is so crucial, it's time to take action. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today. That $10,000 is within reach if you have the right mindset, strategy, and persistence. If you're ready to turn your $10,000 into your first $1 million, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment below on what business you're starting, and let's make it happen. Your journey starts now. Start by investing in your education and skills. Knowledge is power. Diversify your investments to minimize risks and maximize returns. Network with like-minded individuals to open new doors and opportunities. Set clear goals and track your progress. Celebrate every milestone. Visualize your success and stay focused on your vision. Take calculated risks and learn from every setback. Your $1 million journey starts now.